What's up, Eli?
Meet me at the church. It's time to address our staffing needs.
On my way. So, how do we staff up?
Easy. I've got a 14-step plan.
That sounds about 13 steps too long.
Yeah. Why not just go to Boot Hill and show everyone what a badass you are?
What's Boot Hill?
Are you kidding me? Check out the laptop. Okay, Boot Hill is this live-streamed fight club kind of thing they do on the abandoned island out in the lake. This sick cat named Doc Ketchum runs the show.
Fight Club? More like Murder Circus.
We need to recruit more saints, right? Everyone in town with a criminal record watches this live stream.
Oh, he's right. I've seen Pantero streaming it. I just didn't know what it was called.
But it's crazy dangerous.
It's viral marketing.
Viral marketing is not supposed to come with a mortality rate.
It's like breaking out in the art world. You gotta do something to capture people's attention. This does.
Plus, it nails our target demographic.
I don't know. You're the one who have to do this. What do you think?
Y'all had me at Murder Circus.
You sure? We cannot afford to lose you.
Also, you're our friend. We'd miss you.
Aw, don't worry. I was born for this.
Sweet. There's a ferry to the island that docks out back. We can do this whenever you're ready.
Let's go join the Murder Circus.
hands up and become the Boot Hill Champion. Hope you've said goodbye to your mama, because it's showtime! Our first group begins at the infamous Boot Hill Town Square, where weapons are plentiful, but guns are small. Let's see how they fare.
That's right.
Shit, I got this!
Always watch Boot Hill in a well-lit room, and don't stare too closely to your screen. We've got new blood making moves today, folks. This Boot Hill is gonna be a good one.
Not bad.
Stay tuned for Just What the Doc Ordered, the all-new do-it-yourself surgery dating show coming out this fall.
Let's add some flames!
There's a corpse born every minute. I'm starting to think this thing has promise, but they have a beast of a challenge up ahead.
I might have to call this in.
Do not catch me!
No shooting the kidneys! I get good money for those. My insulation policy.
Oh!
Nothing truly real than seeing a person get beaten to death.
I died in vain.
Our first group begins at the infamous Boot Hill Town Square, where weapons are plentiful, but guns are sparse. Let's see how they fare.
That was well.
We interrupt this bloodbath with a special announcement. Doc Ketchum sent you for the foundation of good health. Don't trust your local druggist. They sold you out. Big pharma. Now, back to our program.
There.
I didn't sign up for this.
We've got new blood making moves today, folks. This Boot Hill is gonna be a good one. Where else but Boot Hill can you see bloodthirsty battles for nothing but glory and total supremacy?
reload.
Get your flag!
Still got it.
Always watch Boot Hill in a well-lit room, and don't dare so closely to your screen. We've got new blood making moves today, folks. This Boot Hill is gonna be a good one. No shooting the kidneys! I get good money for those. It's my installation policy.
Guess I won.
Stay on all sides!
Someone needs to nuke this dead-end shore town off the face of the earth. Sorry about that, folks. I'm starting to think this Satan promise was the ever beast of a challenge up ahead. The dead remains of all still watching are legally property of Dr. Ketchum LLC. For inquiries about dead loved ones, email us at deadfamily@gmail.com. Even the finest murderers have a tough time executing their own ills. Dr. Ketchum, your painkiller does the job for you. Stop my dog wagon for a second.
We need a better position!
Who do you think you're dealing with?
Tired of boring reality shows only promising love and riches for their winners. Boot promises glory, the only thing money can't buy, and love can't earn. Nothing says fun like bashing someone's skull in.
Gotta reload!
Not bad.
Stay tuned for Just What the Doc Ordered, the all-new do-it-yourself surgery dating show coming out this fall.
They're hiding!
approved.
Take cover!
Guess I won.
Head wounds giving you migraine, establishing their dominance. Our rising star is finally ready to enter our passionate Boot Hill Tunnel of Aggression.
That went well.
Don't shoot the kidneys. I get good money for those. If I insulation shots like that bring a new meaning to the term one-hit wonder.
Surprise there.
Our new competitor may be a star, but this walk in the tunnel will ultimately decide their fate. Where else but Boot Hill can you see bloodthirsty battles for nothing but glory and total supremacy?
No patience for this hiding shit.
And Boot Hill, pain is your currency, and you better make it rain. This state has crushed the competition so far, but how will they face against the reigning Boot Hill champion, Big Mama? Well, folks, what's this new hit on the way? Lonely Cowboy.
Got him.
God damn.
Jesus Christ. So that's what being good at murder means.
I know. Seeing it on the leaderboard really puts things in perspective.
Should we be scared or reassured?
Why not both? Eli, mute your fucking phone.
Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. These just keep coming in.
Who are they from?
People who are watching. They want to learn from the master.
You know what that means.
We got recruits?
We got recruits.
We got recruits!